Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to lock your hidden photo album. With this tutorial, you're going to be able to have some more privacy. Let's get started and open Settings. Now scroll down to Photos. Tap on that and then go down, and as you can see, there are many options. Tap on Use Passcode and make sure that it says On. So, if you have used passcode on, your passcode is required to view the hidden and recently deleted albums. Now, it's pretty self-explanatory. If you tap this on, then you're gonna need a password. If you don't tap it on, then anyone can open your hidden and recently deleted albums. It's simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.